Hey everyone, are you ready to give your room a major glow up, but without breaking the bank? Well, today we are diving deep into the world of DIY boho decor to help you create a space that is 100% you. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's be real for a sec. You look around your room and you're thinking, ugh, this is kind of blah. You want it to be so much cooler, right? But then you check your wallet and a big, expensive makeover just feels totally impossible. Trust me, we have all been there. But what if I told you the answer is literally right at your fingertips? It's super creative, it's crazy colorful, and it's all about making awesome stuff yourself. So get ready for the absolute magic of boho DIY. Okay, so first things first, what even is the boho vibe? You see it everywhere, right? And for good reason. It's way more than just a decorating style. Honestly, it's a whole mood. At its core, Bohemian style is all about freedom and personality. It's about not being afraid to mix bold colors, getting inspired by nature, and just layering on tons of amazing, fabulous textures. The goal? To make a space that feels cozy, creative, and completely 100% you. Okay, think of it like a recipe for the most perfect, dreamy boho room. The ingredients? You're gonna mix in natural textures. Think wood, yarn, all that good stuff. Then you'll add some big pops of color and stir in a ton of fun DIY projects. For the final touch, just top it all off with some plants and your own personal photos, and boom, the result is a space that is just maximum coziness. All right, let's jump right in. We're gonna start with the biggest canvas in your room, your walls. Seriously, this is where you can make a huge impact without spending a ton of cash. I bet you've seen macrame everywhere. It's that super cool knot art that adds the most incredible texture to a room. And while it's an awesome skill to learn, a really great place to start your journey is with a simple yarn hanging. It is so easy, really inexpensive, and it's a super fast way to get a splash of color on your wall while you build up that crafting confidence. And this is the magic of DIY, right here. You can literally start with something so simple, like a plain wooden dowel or a metal ring, and with just a little bit of creativity, turn it into a stunning piece of art like this gorgeous dream catcher. It's all about taking those basic supplies and making them totally uniquely yours. Oh, and the ideas do not stop there. You could create a dreamy flower wall. How gorgeous would that be? Or a cool moon phase hanging, perfect for a skinny little wall space. Or what about a super colorful garland made from fabric scraps? And of course, you can't forget a classic DIY photo wall to show off all your favorite memories. Pro tip, you can even find tons of free boho printables online. Okay, our walls are officially looking amazing, so let's bring that awesome vibe to the rest of the room. The next really big key to a truly boho space, making it feel super duper cozy. Okay, check this out. You know how store-bought decorative pillows can be seriously expensive? Well, why buy one when you can DIY it? Just grab a basic, cheap pillow cover and go wild. Add some beads, some tassels, maybe some gems, whatever you can find at the craft store. It's such a cheap and easy way to get a totally custom, super high-end look. And speaking of cozy, for the ultimate cozy floor, have you ever thought about making your own rug? Because you totally can. A woven pom-pom rug would be so fun and plush under your feet. Or hey, if you're feeling extra ambitious after that wall hanging, you could even try making a macrame rug. And we can't forget about storage, right? This pom-pom basket is amazing because it's both cute and useful. I mean, it could be a totally fabulous laundry basket or the perfect spot to stash all your extra blankets. Plus, it adds texture and helps keep your room tidy. It's a total win-win. All right, moving on to our next big theme, which is a huge part of the whole boho aesthetic, and that is bringing the outdoors in. It's all about celebrating those beautiful, natural, earthy elements. I mean, are you even boho if you don't have something macrame? Just kidding. But seriously, these macrame plant hangers are such a classic for a reason. They're pretty much the perfect first macrame project, and they're a genius way to add some greenery to your room without using up any of that precious floor space. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Pressing flowers is just such an amazing way to preserve a little piece of nature forever. You can arrange them into gorgeous framed art, use them to decorate your notebooks, or even make totally one-of-a-kind cards for your besties. And listen, there are so many other ways to get that earthy feel. You could make some feathered votive holders for some soft, glowy lighting, coiled raffia baskets for cute storage, You could even paint beautiful mandala patterns on stones you find outside. Or hey, what about some simple wooden arrow art? So many ideas. Okay, are you feeling inspired yet? I knew you would be. So now let's talk about how you can actually get started. I'm gonna break down 2 awesome projects for you, just to show you how easy it is to jump right in. First up, that gorgeous pressed flower art we were just talking about. It's so simple. Seriously. All you do is arrange your flowers between 2 sheets of paper, then you press them inside a heavy book. Okay, the hardest part is waiting a week or 2 for them to dry, I'll admit it. But then comes the really fun part. You take them out and get creative. Glue them onto cards, put them in frames, whatever you can dream up. Or how about making a dream catcher? I know, it looks complicated, but I promise it's not. Step 1, just wrap a ring completely with your favorite color yarn or some cool fabric strips. Step 2, you start weaving the web inside, and this is the perfect time to add some sparkly beads as you go. And for the final touch, step 3, just add lots of flowing yarn tassels, ribbons, and feathers at the bottom. See? So beautiful and totally doable. You know, this quote really just says it all. Making your own crafts isn't just a terrific hobby, it's also a super inexpensive way to decorate when you're on a budget. You get to have all the fun making things, and then you end up with this incredible personalized decor that's all you. And really, this is the best part. This is what it's all about. When you make these things with your own 2 hands, your room stops looking like some random page from a catalog, and it starts looking like, well, like you. It's filled with your creativity, your favorite colors, and your unique personality. I mean, just look at what is possible. This is where all those little projects come together to create something amazing. You've got the wall hangings, the cozy pillows, the plants, all those personal touches. It all combines to create a space that isn't just beautiful, but it's a true sanctuary, a place you will absolutely love spending time in. And now, the best part is totally up to you. So whether you start small with some painted rocks or decide to go big with a huge yarn wall hanging, your creative adventure is just getting started. So my question for you is, what will you create first?